Samahan niyo akong i-surprise si Edmar sa Manila. Nag-grab taxi na ako since medyo late ako for the 9 a.m. bus. Arrived exactly at the terminal by 9:15 a.m. Luckily, adapay lang day bus ngam naka-exit ni nagti-terminal. So pagkababak ti taxi, inalan day conductor di bag ko kun indireksyonan ijay bus. Santo ak nagsakay. Hay, bag na lang ta tinext ko 11 a.m. Imagine ko din naabot. Okay, anyways. Awanti talaga nga plan ko on how will I surprise him. I was thinking of just knocking on his door, but unfortunately, I don't know his flat number. So the ingasta, upon arriving at the terminal, I booked a Grab and while on the way, I also booked Edmar's order na. Funny thing is, nauna yung food delivery. Kaya sabi ko kay Kuya, wait lang. Eto na nga, nakarating na ako and kunaha ko na ang drinks. At sinabi ko kay Edmar, bumaba na siya since meron na yung order ko for him. Hey! Eto na ti, eto na. Tada! Siya isang suyok mo, napaibig ako.
Gago.
Gabing ngiti naman yarn. In love na in love.